Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the basics of Synfig. So here we have the circle to create some shapes here. As you can see, there's like these circles, and there's also these square shapes that you can add. There's also these star shapes that you can add to that. There's this kind of pen tool, and then there's some other stuff that you can draw on. There's this pencil tool as well. There's this spline creation. I don't really know how to pronounce that. It's like, I think it's used to like select everything, and it's used for rigging, or it can also be used for that. And there are just a bunch of tools here. There's mirror, rotation, scale, smooth move. There's text tool as well to animate your animation. Here I'm just going to quickly create something. I'm just going to select that, just move it down here. Here is where you can add outlines and the fill color. So for instance, I want to change it to this purple. I can do that. I'm just going to close that. And then for the outline, I just want it to be black. So, oops. I accidentally changed the outline color. There we go. And that is pretty much just the basics of it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.